If your IKEA smart light bulb is stuck on one color because you don't have the hub, you're gonna love this video because I will show you how to change the color with a remote control. So keep watching. The first thing we want to do, of course, is to put the light bulb in a lamp. And as you can see, lights on, so I did that already. Now, next, we need to pair the remote control with a light bulb. And that's fairly easy. IKEA is not helping you though, because they don't tell you in the instructions. So I will show you how to do just that. We take off the cover with a little screwdriver like this, and then out of the way with this one. And then, as you can see in here, we have room for batteries. And then we have 3 buttons. One is for turning on the light and one is for turning off the light. And they're sitting behind this cover clearly. So when you push on the cover, you will turn on and off the light. And okay. And these are also used for dimming. I will show that in a second. But there's one in the middle as well, and that is for pairing and resetting the remote control. Now, 2 batteries first, AAA, and they, you better observe which way they're going in. I think it's made so you can see, you cannot turn them the wrong way. When you put in the batteries, the remote will start blinking slowly on this little yellow light here. If it does not do that, you need to press down on the one in the middle for about 10 seconds. I can show you how to do that. And then you hold it. And then eventually it will blink red light. Then you can let go of the button, and now it's ready to be paired with the light bulb. And in order to do so, we have to click 4 times really quick on the one in the middle here. And at the same time, we need to keep it really close to the light bulb, like 2 inches, 5 centimeters up here. 4 quick times. And then, hopefully, as you can see now, the light bulb will start to go up and down in brightness. And that is indicating that it's pairing to the remote control. And now, it's almost there. There you go. 3 or 4 quick blink, and the remote control has been paired to the light bulb. Now we can put the cover back on, and that goes this way. Boom. And now we can turn on and off the light, and we can turn it on, and then I can show you that we can dim it by holding in this button. See? And brighten it up again. And that's the basics of the remote control. But here comes the exciting part, and that is you can change the color of the light bulb with this one as well. And you do that by double clicking on either one of those. And then it runs into a circle where you change from one color to the next every time you double click. And it doesn't matter whether you click on this one or double click on this one. It will change to the next color. So if you can imagine, it's like a circle where you go forward one way and you're going reverse the other way. So let's try to do that. Now I'm double clicking. I don't know if you can see that on the camera here, but now it became yellow. Now it's becoming a bit more orange. Double click again, we're going red. There you go, a bit purple. More purple. Blue, and aqua, I would call it. And what's up next? More green, and then darker green, and white again. And of course we can dim as well and brighten. And you'll see if I go double click the other way now, we will go back in the opposite order of the colors. So that's how you do it with this remote control. You don't need the hub. You can easily change the colors by double clicking. Let's find a favorite. I like the warm either this one white or a bit more color to it, like this. Now you may be asking yourself, hey, what do I do if I have 2 light bulbs in one setup, meaning I want to control both light bulbs with one remote? Well, fairly easy. You just pair your remote with the second light bulb too, but it's important to remember that you cannot reset the remote control, you know, by pressing on that middle button for 10 seconds, because then you are disconnecting this one as well. But let me show you how you pair the second one. Well, lid has to come off again, just like that. And then we do it all again. 4 quick press on the middle one. But here's a tip, you want to turn off this one, because if you don't do that, you will experience that it will connect to this one first. Let me just put the light on here. There you go. Now this is orange, huh? Already. I don't know what happened, but let's see if it's paired. It's not paired with this one. Of course it's not. So 4 quick press on the middle button. There you go. Now if we have a little bit of luck, see, now it's connecting to this light bulb as well. And within a few seconds it will establish the connection between the remote and the light bulb. There you go, 3 quick blinks as confirming that it has happened. So now we can control this one too. Let's turn it off and turn it on again. There you go. And back with the cover on the remote, and we can turn it off. Now let's turn this one off and on. Now we got both of them going, and we can turn both off. Oh, I lost this one now. Maybe I should just do that again. I am not sure what happened. Off. Ah, we didn't. It just needed a little break to consider whether it's want to be part of the team or not. And clearly it does. Now, here's another problem. Now we got 2 different colors, right? This is white, this is more yellow. How can I deal with that? Because if I change the color, they both change, but they're not on the same cycle. So here's how we're going to deal with that. Because what we have to do is we have to turn one of them off and then adjust the other one to the same color this one had. Now, we can see this one is orange, so I want to have this one orange as well, and I need to turn this off, so I do that on the power supply for the light bulb, and then I keep changing the color of this one until we get the orange. You have to go through the full cycle. I don't know which way to go, so I just keep pressing until I get the orange. I think we're almost there now. Is that it? I'll turn this one on and check. No, it's not. So we need one more double click. We can turn it up a bit. And I think we have the same orange now. Yes, we do, but we don't have the same intensity. So the way to deal with that is to go all the way to the top until we cannot go any further, or all the way to the bottom. But as you can see now, we have the same color for both light bulbs, and they are synchronized in terms of intensity. And if I change the color now, I'll change the color of both of them. So mission accomplished. We got one remote, 2 lights, and they're showing the same color and changing at the same time in terms of color and in terms of intensity. There you go, lights off. Thank you for watching.